Today I will introduce how to change passwords on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Linux. Step 1, open the terminal. You can open the terminal in two ways. Using a shortcut, press Ctrl plus Alt plus T using the application menu. Click on Show Applications, the grid icon. Search for Terminal and open it. Step 2, change the password of a user. Ubuntu provides a command called to change the password of a user. Change your own password. To change your own password, simply type enter your current password, enter your new password. Confirm the new password. The passwd command is an important tool for managing passwords on Linux, ensuring system security. It is used to change, reset, lock, unlock, or remove user passwords. Step 3, change the password of another user. If you are an administrator and want to change the password for another user, use the sudo passwd command allows users with administrative admin privileges to change the password of another user or the root account. Replace username with the actual username. Enter your administrator password when prompted. Set a new password for the user. Confirm the new password. Step 4, change the root user password. Enter your current user password. Enter a new password for the root user. By following these steps, you can easily change passwords for yourself, other users, and the root user in Ubuntu. This is an essential skill for system administration. The above is a guide on how to change passwords on Ubuntu. Using the passwd command, you can update your own password, reset it for others, or manage the root. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.